Hello, boys and girls! Today our journey takes us in the heart of Celestria, where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. A force of nature threatens to devour the city. But little did they know, legendary Pokémon were about to embark on an epic journey to save the day. A mysterious force brews in the skies above, heralding the arrival of a colossal tornado. Panic spreads like wildfire, but in their darkest hour, the guardians of creation descend.
Fear not, Celestria. We are the ancient guardians, summoned to protect.
Time, space, and dimensions converge. United, our powers form an impenetrable shield.
The fabric of reality itself bends to our will. Together, we are unstoppable.
Our strength lies in unity. Let us channel the essence of our elements.
Seas rise, dimensions shift. Let the storm feel the might of our combined power.
The very threads of creation dance to our tune. Unleash your power.
Focus, my friends. Channel the elemental forces within. We are the Stormbreakers.
As the legendary Pokémon synchronize their powers, the tornado begins to unravel, defeated by the very forces it sought to unleash.
Time unravels chaos. Space restores order. Celestria is saved once more.
In the aftermath, Celestria stands strong, a testament to the triumph of unity over impending disaster.
Remember, boys and girls, in unity, we find the strength to conquer any storm that life may throw our way.
The city of Celestria owes its safety to the guardians of the elements. United, they proved that even the fiercest storms can be conquered. Thank you for joining in this adventure filled with suspense, epic battles, and the ultimate triumph of unity as legendary Pokémon come together to save a city from the clutches of a massive tornado. Thanks for watching. See you on next adventure. Bye for now!